today we are going to crochet an ice cream cone. So for that I am choosing two colors, one for the ice cream portion and the next color is for the cone portion. So I'm using a 2.5 mm hook for this project. The pattern is very simple. So we're gonna start by a magic circle. So round 1 is 6 single crochet into the magic circle. So we're gonna start without a slip stitch, the round 2. So for that 6 increases. So there are total 12 stitches in the round 2. Before that we're gonna put a stitch marker in the first stitch. So for round 3 we have to do one single crochet in the first stitch and one increase in the next stitch. So we have to repeat it 6 times, so we will get total 18 stitches. So one thing to remember, we have to put stitch marker on the first stitch of every single round. So that's it. So for round 4, we have to do 2 single crochets into one stitch and one increase in the next stitch. So we have to repeat it 6 times. So we will get total 24 stitches. So for round 5, we have to do 3 single crochets into 3 stitches, and after that one increase. So we have to repeat it 6 times. So we will get 30 stitches in total. So next, round 6. So from round 6 to round 9, we have the same pattern. So we have to do 30 single crochets. This is the pattern for round 6 to round 9. Now we are at the 10th row. So for this row, we have to do only on the front loop. So first we have to skip the first stitch. Then we have to do 3 double crochets into the same stitch, which means the next stitch. And after that, we have to slip stitch into the next stitch. So we have to repeat this 10 times in this row. So now for the 11th row, we have to do 30 single crochets, but only on the back loop. So the back loop of the stitches we have done earlier. So for this row, we have to change the color into the shade of the cone portion of the ice cream. So now for the 12th row, we have to do simply 30 single crochets. So now we are at the 13th row. So for this row, we have to do 8 single crochets, then 1 decrease. So we have to repeat this 3 times. So we will get total 27 stitches. So we have to put stitch markers before beginning every single row. Now for the 14th row, we have to do simply 27 single crochets. Now we are at the 15th row. So we have to do 7 single crochets, then 1 decrease. So we have to repeat this 3 times. So we will get total 24 stitches. Now for the 16th row, we have to do 6 single crochets, then 1 decrease. So we have to repeat this 3 times. So we will get total 21 stitches. So now for the 17th row, we have to do 5 single crochets, then 1 decrease. So we have to repeat this 3 times. So we will get total 18 stitches. So now for the 18th row, we have to do 4 single crochets, then 1 decrease. So we have to repeat this 3 times. So we will get total 15 stitches. So now we are completed 18 rows. Now we have to add stuffing materials. So now we are at the 19th row. So for this row, we have to do 3 single crochets, then 1 decrease. So we have to repeat this 3 times. So we will get total 12 stitches. So now we are at the 20th row. So for this row, we have to do 2 single crochets, then 1 decrease. So we have to repeat this 3 times. So we will get total 9 stitches. Now finally we have to do the last row, which is 21st row. For this row we have to do 1 single crochet, then 1 decrease. So we have to repeat this 3 times. So we will get total 6 stitches.